Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Craig, and welcome back to the barbecue test pit. And today we are going to be putting two rubs together. We are going cheap versus expensive today. So today we're going to do the battle of cheap versus expensive and find out if it's really worth spending the extra money on a $14 rub like the Honey Hog from Meat Church, or if you're better off just buying the $2 pork rub from Walmart. Today I got some pork chops. I sliced them pretty thin. I'm gonna do 3 Meat Church, 3 Great Value, and then we're gonna do them 2. That was the end of a little pork loin I had, and that's gonna go. I'm just gonna do my regular salt and pepper. But here you have the Great Value pork rub seasoning. It's sugar, salt, more sugar, garlic, spices, pepper, black pepper, onion, paprika extract, all kinds of stuff. And then over here we have the Honey Hog barbecue from Meat Church. Apply liberally to meat vegetables, and this has sugar, salt, honey powder, syrup, honey, spices including paprika, garlic. So my pork chops are starting to sweat out here. It's a gross ass day. Finally, we're getting some nice weather, but it rains. Now it's humid and no breeze. I'm just gonna dump these out on the counter here so we can take a look at the granules and the color. And you could see that we could see the Meat Church was kind of yellowy. You could see the sugar crystals in there, some pepper, some other chunks. And then over here, kind of more coarse, a lot more paprika. You see the sugar in there. In the Walmart brand. Now, I don't know what those big chunks are. I'll give the Meat Church a little taste. And that is very sweet rub. Cleanse my palate with some Guinness. Walmart has really good flavor in the beginning. Way bolder. But there's a sour. What's in this? This contains a bioengineered food ingredient. I don't know what that is, but if I can maybe. It has a weird really weird flavor at the end there. So I'm gonna go ahead and season these up real quick. And these 2 middle ones, like I said, I'm just putting SPG on them, but I'm putting extra pepper. This is my SPG. On this side, we're gonna go with the Meat Church. It says apply liberally, but you could see I cut these only like a 1/4 inch thick because this is our dinner, and if they don't like one flavor and I only make 3 thick ones, then they're only then they're not going to be able to have the other flavors, so everybody can have 2 skinny ones. And this comes out a lot heavier. Walmart. SPG. And the Meat Church is a lot finer. And I'm just gonna flip them over. Again, you could see 1/4 inch. These are gonna cook up really quick. Probably really quick. I just got my S&S kettle grill heated up to 400. My hand's dirty, so I can't add more pepper. All right, we got those seasoned up. Now let's go get them on the grill. All right, so the grill's at 400. I got some potatoes on here. That's part of my dinner. So we're just gonna spray this grate real quick. And put these on here. They'll probably just cook like that because it's so hot. So turn them out. Give those a couple seconds. It does look like the sugars are really charring up nicely. Close that back up. So it's sticking a little bit. Got a lot of sugar. But I definitely think these are done. Keep the Walmart over here. Meat Church on this side. And got my Thermapen wand poke in there. Oh yeah. Some of these 170. Now I'm gonna let them rest for a couple minutes here, and while those rest, let me show you what I've been up to here in the last couple weeks. Got a little apparel line going. I got some beer koozies, barbecue test pit with my logo, snapback trucker hats, just with the logo, nothing else. It's just plain. This is the snapback. It's the good one. And some t-shirt designs. So the front has the logo on it. You can get multiple colors. And then on the back, each one, they're all different. This is the hard to see one out here in the wind. but it's, your pellet grill is fine. You're the problem. I have 3 or 4 shirts out right now. I'm putting a new design out every month. I just got done doing, still got a little bit more to do for May's shirt, but April's just came out. And I did 3 initially when I launched them. I got some women's line coming out as well, and there's also some hoodies. So that link will be in the description and Shopify. And if you like the content I'm putting out, if you have anything you'd like me to try or test, please leave a comment in the description. Let me know if you tried any of these or what your favorite go-to pork rub seasoning is. And let's go ahead and get into one of these right now. So when I tasted it raw right here, right off the bat, you get that sweet salt and saltiness. And you're grilled. That bite was a little charry and like burnt sugar. Let me get this other side, it doesn't have as much. That sweetness is there, but it's more of a, you're getting more of the front end pepper and salt, garlic, paprika with it instead of the sugar, but it's still got that sweetness to it. And here's the Walmart. It has the Walmart one. I lied. That first one was the Walmart one. I wonder why this didn't have any color on it. The Meat Church lost all of its color. The Walmart one, let me go back now. Yeah, the Walmart one, you're getting that strong pepper. It's not as sweet. You're not getting that sugar. So that explains that. And you're not getting that funny aftertaste that I did when I ate it raw. So the Meat Church lost a lot of its color besides the part that got the really good charred sear on it. That tastes like burnt sugar. I'm gonna go with this side. It doesn't have any char burn. Very sweet. Nope. No, I don't get any pepper flavor. Just sugary, faint spices in the back, but not, they don't stand out at all. Like the Walmart brand. The Walmart is just, First bite, it's just, you're getting pepper, garlic. I don't know if that's onion. Is there onion in there? Yeah. Meat Church. It's sweet. And the parts that have the char and the grill marks is real bitter. The part that don't have the burnt, it doesn't have that bitterness with the Meat Church, but is, even for as much seasoning as I put on there, which it didn't really stay, it doesn't look like it. Doesn't have that flavor that this Walmart one does, and this actually has a nice little heat to it too, and it's building. So I think I like this seasoning, and I would choose it over the Meat Church if I'm just gonna throw some pork chops on the grill. Now, if I was gonna do maybe some candied bacon on the pellet smoker or something, this might be really good. Let's add some more black pepper, throw this on some bacon, and candy it up, and you get that sweet stickiness from some nice smoked pellet grilled bacon, to where if I'm doing a pork chop or even like a pork roast or tenderloin, I think I'm reaching for this all day. $10 less, a lot more flavor, a lot more texture and color to it, and it's what I feel like your rub should be. It shouldn't be super sweet and sugary. If you want some pulled pork butt with this, bacon, probably pork belly. I think I'll try a pork belly with this and see how that goes. But if you're looking for just a good rub on the weekend or weeknight dinner, and you don't want to spend $14 on Amazon, and you don't have an Ace Hardware or anything by you, I think that's where I got this one. I would definitely, you have a Walmart. Everybody has a Walmart by them. So this was, I think the small jar was $1.89, and this was a bigger jar. It was $4. It's 14 ounces compared to 8 ounces, but I mean, if even at 16 ounces, this is only $8, to where you're still saving $6 and getting 2 more ounces. So the smaller one was $1.89. I think it was a 4 ounce or 3.6. They just didn't have it. But yeah, I think the winner here is Walmart. Give it a try. Give them both a try. I mean, but if you're just looking to save money and cost of food is going up and everything, and you want a good tasting pork chop, great value. Pork rub seasoning, simple, no fancy names, no nothing besides some weird ass bioengineered food ingredient. It doesn't really tell me what that is. So it tastes good. It tastes good on pork chop. I really don't give a shit. I'm gonna eat it. Don't forget, check out the link in the description to my Shopify if you're looking to get a shirt or just want to see what kind of designs I have out there, or get a koozie or a hat. I'll put links to Walmart.com for this and to Meat Church and this in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.